What's up, y'all? You guys can see the clock. It's 10:07 at 9 p.m. I was just on the computer and I got the news that tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and pick up, I think it's an 06 Suzuki Gixxer 750. We're gonna pick it up, ride all the way down 4 miles because it's done, man. It's like 2 hours away. Pick up another car, take it down to the shop, pick up another car, take it to a junkyard. For the bike, I got a loan from my dad. I haven't paid back for the Beauty because previous video, there was a oil radiator, so I'm still on that. Me and Martin trying to fix it, so whenever I get that done, pay my dad back, pay him for the bike, and get everything done. So hit the road in the morning, it's 10 p.m. I'll probably be out like 6 a.m. So I can get all the time in the world, so I can do that tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
So the sun rise, but I'm still cold, so you know how to bring my dinosaur blanket? You already know.
Cold, man. Alright, let's go get the first car. Come on. There's nothing that zip ties can't do. Look at my helper. Look at my helper. Look at my assistant. Look at my assistant. ¿Ese carro está pago? ¿El Camry?
Sí,
Ok, entonces nada más lo busco y ya, igual que la moto.
sí, pero el Camry tenía que irlo a buscar a las 8 de la mañana, son las 9.
Sí, perdón, mi coronel, solamente había un poquito de tráfico, había un choque en la autopista. ¿Cuídate eso así?
No,
No, ¿verdad?
yo la cerré, le di así, y solito, a mí me cayó la llave, dejaba así. Está en la borda, yo agarré y hice así.
Así, ¿verdad? Claro, se abrió.
I don't like the way your name is spelled.
I-Z-A-A-K.
Yeah.
Thank you, very unique.
Yeah,
Everywhere
it
I go, I gotta spell out for everybody.
Oh, no, I like it.
Yeah, thank you.
What do you, I can see your trailer, but what kind of vehicle are you driving?
It's a Ford F-150,
What color?
a gray Ford.
Okay, perfect.
We're in the shop so they can be in charge of whatever needs to get done to the car. We didn't record much in there because they were strict about recording and stuff, but it's whatever. I'm gonna drop it off now. My job is being done, and then I gotta pick up more stuff, a transmission, a bike as well, so you'll see more of what we're doing.
Vete directo al taller, que el perro está esperando para que monte la transmisión. Baje este carro, monte otro carro, pase por la casa, busques el carro que está en el garage, vayas para el John, lo entregues rápidamente en el John, te vayas a JJ, busca la moto, monta el trailer en el carro que está acá, el Nissan, lo vas a montar entonces en el trailer y ahí subes para llegar a la transmisión.
Alright, so it just turned on. It says it runs and drives, so we're gonna like park it at the shop and get it fixed. So we got an extra little job to do. We got to take this transmission, we got to take it to this other shop, and then after that, we're gonna go pick up the bike, and then after that, go back home.
at the shop. We picked up this one and the transmission. We got to go drop this one off to the junkyard, and then we'll see when it goes from there. Hopefully it goes well. Alright, we're gonna drop it off at the junkyard now. I'm here. I'm like 2 minutes away. And let's see what I get for it. And then I gotta head to the auction and pick up the bike that we bought. 2 decades being behind this red minivan. But it's going like 2 miles per hour, literally. Yeah, I'm going against time. He's over here like wasting my time. I don't know what is this one going so slow. Drop off the car, and the weight they told me it says 516 that I got for that junk car. 516s in cash. Now I gotta pick up the bike from the auction. Now I gotta pick up the bike. I'm here at the auction, and I'm gonna talk to them so they can bring it out. Let's see if it turns on. It's not turning on, it's not cranking.
Alright, so we just strapped up the bike and now we're gonna take it home. So let's see if it ends up turning on or not.
He just started to drive, but he doesn't know what side his gas cap is on. He got on this side, but the gas cap is on this side. Like, yo, you need to move the car that way.
Alright, so now we have to take the transmission, but we're stuck in traffic. So right now it's currently 3:20 and we're supposed to get there at 4. So hopefully we make it on time.
Drop on the transmission. Now I don't know what to do. Go home. Now I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry.
After a long day of work, going places, we get to eat.
Currently 7:44. You can see. We left the house at like 6:30. So we've been out for almost 13 hours. Recapping what we did was we picked up the car in Tampa at the auction, dropped it at the shop, picked up a junk car, dropped it off the junkyard, then picked up the bike that's currently back there. And then now we're gonna drop it off, work on it, and then my grandma asked for a favor, so I got her groceries. So, yeah, day's over. She got it down after struggling, but we got it down. You're gonna leave it here, work on it. You're gonna try and fix it up.